chic and cute and adorable, and they're so nice to walk in. There are 3 reasons why I clicked on this video. You want to get to know the life of this silly stranger sitting right in front of you. Or maybe there was a sneaky bird going around telling everybody that I'm hosting a shoe giveaway, which I am, but cool recognizes cool. So hello. You're spending some time with me. This week was a little bit busy, but in a good way. Win your very own pair of VIVAIA shoes. The books have changed my brain chemistry. It's already so messy. I'm gonna try and bring you along. But before we get into that, I need to unbox some new shoes that I got from VIVAIA. Be sure to keep watching because I will be telling you all of the details on how to join this giveaway later in the video. Let's go unbox because I'm so excited. I saw this on the website and it's so pretty. I'm so excited for this. Oh my god. Moment of truth. Let's unbox this. Look at that. Okay, so I got these shoes in the shade black. I love this design. Okay, so these are the Casey shoes. I'm giving away a pair of these, so if you're interested, keep on watching. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna start with the zipper. I love how the area around the zipper looks, and I love how the zipper itself looks as well. I don't know, this design over here on this side is so pretty. So I love that it's like not straight. VIVAIA logo right here. I love their logo so much because it looks so expensive. Okay, and this is the other side. Water repellent, which reminds me a lot of the Urban boot. Now these are the Urban boots, and this is a pair of VIVAIA shoes that I've been using for a few weeks now. Now this is also the logo on the heel of the shoe. So right here, you can see this beautiful pattern that the foot has. This shoe is made from recycled materials and it looks so good. It does have a little bit of a wider toe box, which I definitely appreciate. I'm trying to pull it out. The Casey shoes have 3 extra inches. This is perfect for all the short girlies. Cannot see it on the outside, so that's really, really cool. They're really nice. How I think I would style this. Pair some leg warmers from VIVAIA, a mini skirt, maybe add some tights if it's cold. How I want it to look. Add like a little white beret. This is sort of the inspo for the outfit. I will be posting it on my Instagram whenever I get the chance to, so go follow me. Okay, next up I have the Gisella boots. These are so pretty. I'm so excited. Oh god. I got them in the shade gray. I wonder how it looks like in real life. They look incredible. Wow. Okay, we're gonna look at these up close. I'm so excited for these. Oh my god, they're so pretty. Look at that. They look so good. Okay, how I feel about this shoe is quite obvious now. Something I appreciate is that this buckle isn't just for show. It is adjustable. It has like a boxed square toe type of thing going on. It just makes it a little more comfortable. You hear that? I really appreciate that not only their designs are incredible, but they also use recycled materials. On the site, it was actually listed as recycled wool. The material is so high quality. These shoes are also water repellent, just like the last shoes I showed you. I also have so many ideas and concepts in my head of how I want to style these. A nice long coat, winter, cute aesthetic. This is very versatile to style because I think it would be perfect, like a cute winter outfit maybe. I think it's also very fitting for like maybe a chic, like little sleek look. Not to mention how beautiful this heel is as well. This is just such a stunning shoe. The Gisella shoes, I think I would really love to pair this up with a long trench coat. I think that it would be so perfect if it's gray as well. I would maybe want to pair this with a gray sweater, but here's the inspo for now. Once again, keep an eye on my Instagram because I will be trying to make a little look with these shoes, so look forward to that. Let's see them in action. Really early in the morning right now, so I'm quite tired. Posted my giveaway post yesterday. I'm very excited to say that some people have joined already. Today I'm wearing the Casey shoe. Fit check. This is the shoe. Excited to go. Ooh, keep doing that. Bye. See you in a bit. Okay, I'm on the bus now, but who the heck designed this bus? Because look how awkward the footing space is. I wonder what we're going to find at the Kilo shop today. I always look for natural fibers when it comes to clothing. I adore these shoes so much. They're perfect for daily wear. Now, the game plan for when I go thrifting is always to just touch the fabrics and kind of see if I like them. Now, I ended up finding this super pretty silk dress, which I ended up getting, and now I'm just kind of looking in all of the crates, trying to see if there's anything cool. Moving on to the bags, I saw a lot of them, but this one stood out specifically. I'm kind of sad I didn't end up getting it. It was because it was looking a little rough, and well, I was on a time crunch, so I kind of just wanted to go around store and see what there was. I think I spotted some wool. Oh my god. My mom got us a cart, Let's take a closer look at this cardigan. I'm checking the material tag to make sure that it's wool, and it's 100% wool. This looks really, really cute and really nice. I absolutely adore this color, so I'm really happy with this find. There is a tiny small hole in the front of it, but I fixed that up real quick when I got home. I'm looking at some pants right now. I didn't get any of those. I have zero clue what this is or what material it is, but it looks cool. I didn't end up getting it though because I was just confused because it looks weird. I don't know. The shape is weird. I couldn't figure out what it even was. Then I found this pink top, but it ended up being 100% polyester, so I was like, nah. This was actually an incredible haul because it ended up totaling up to 20 euros for both me and my mom. This is a giant bag. This is everything I got. I know. It's a bunch of stuff. It's not even 12 a.m. yet. Looking through this before I go eat some food. A few cute items. I'm craving a poke bowl right now, so I'm gonna go to Hawaiian poke bowl. I got myself my usual, which is the tofu poke bowl. And this is so delicious. I ate it all up with my chopsticks and it was delicious. Now we're gonna head to the train station because we're gonna take a train to some random Christmas market because it looks very beautiful and I wanted to go. I also ate a pizza at Domino's while I was here. We went to the stores to pick up some groceries and I bought a ton of cucumbers. These shoes are really nice. You really cannot tell that there's added height, 3 extra inches taller, and people would actually believe that that's my normal height. If you have like a half size like me, I have 36.5, get the size next over that. Well, we're back home now and I want to try this butterscotch that my mom brought from Thailand. Before I try these, I'm gonna eat some vanilla pudding because I haven't had any in so long. And here are my shoes. I've been wearing these for the entire day and I love them so much. They're so comfy. Trying the bread now and it actually tastes really nice. Pretty good. Hi, okay, so it's the next morning now. Today I'm going to be wearing these Gisella shoes and they're so stunning, so I cannot wait to try them on. I was actually reading a new book. I'm 57 pages into this book and it's called Once Upon a Broken Heart. Found this at the thrift store once for like 3 euros or something and I was like, you know what, it looks cool, so let me get it because maybe one day I'll want to read it. I just got a random video on TikTok and it was just like, if you read these books, you know, blah blah, these books have changed my brain chemistry or something. Is it really that good? So I'm reading it right now. The beginning is kind of interesting. At first I was confused. I got a little bit further into it. I kind of understand it a little bit more, but I feel like it's gonna get very messy from this point on. It's already so messy. And I don't know if I like that. If you want to check it out, Once Upon a Broken Heart, I do think that this could actually be a really interesting show or movie because it's an interesting concept so far. I really need to read more. I feel like I'd actually enjoy some books, but sometimes the logic of how a story starts, like it makes my brain, like I'm just not used to it. Because I'm so used to movies and I watch so many movies. I've never been a book reader. I'm enjoying it so far. We'll see. All for now. Hi, I'm currently unboxing this like package and this is a DIY like little, it sounded really cool. I haven't soldered anything since like 6th grade and honestly I actually quite enjoyed that. We're heading to the plant shop now and I'm wearing my Gisella boots. Let's see what we find. Here I saw a few discounted plants because it's winter. Look how pretty they are. I think they look really like chic and cute and adorable and they're so nice to walk in. A nice block heel as well. Okay, back to plants. I saw a few snake plants and aloe vera plants that I was really tempted to buy, but I decided not to. I'm not getting a plant like this beauty right here, but I am getting some mini plants. Look how cute and small these are. Ah, look at my little monstera. Then I walked to some other shops to get some snacks for myself. If you don't know where I am, I'm probably checking out the snack aisle. This is my favorite jacket, by the way. I love it so much. We'll definitely be wearing these shoes a lot more. Okay, let me show you my plants now. So this is a Monstera Deliciosa. I have been checking if it has any signs. If there's some pests in this, I guess that's my issue to take care of when spring comes. I also have this plant right here. I had to look this one up. I once again forgot the name. I forgot the name, but I knew the name at some point. It's a very unique like color. Reminds me of my big one. Let me know which one you like most. The Monstera is one of my favorite plants just because she just looks so interesting and majestic. I don't know. There's something about her. These two plants are new to me. I don't know much about them, so I will learn to value them the more I have them. On another note, but I gotta show them again. I wore them today. They feel like some really nice everyday like boots. Sometimes like heeled boots, you end up feeling it at the end of the day. Didn't feel it with these. These are such nice shoes. I love them so much. They're so cute. I'm such a simp. I actually also wanted to mention that you can join this giveaway over on my Instagram. So if you're interested in getting an entry over there, you can join that. To make it clear, there will be one winner overall. Good luck to everyone joining. Anyway, I'm going on a walk. Love the details on this. Here's me with the fringe. This is a clip-on, but it looks so pretty. Hi, I literally just woke up and I'm getting ready to run some more errands. Like, I folded my pants and I put them somewhere, but I can't find where I put them. I'm gonna wear my Casey boots this morning, but then later in the day I am going out again and we're gonna go to the thrift store and we're gonna go on a walk. So I'm gonna wear my Gisella boots then. I'm gonna brush my hair and get out. So I'll see you then. On my phone. While I was walking back from the store, I actually spotted like plastic on the floor. And I was thinking to myself, like, VIVAIA makes shoes made from this. And it's very cool, you know? So this is your reminder, please recycle, please do your part, because what the heck? Hopefully introduce a new person to their brand. Hi. Okay, so I was wearing my scarf, which has moved. This is the scarf I'm wearing. I wear this like almost every single day. I like switch it out with another one that looks very, very similar to it. Then I'm wearing this like leather jacket that I thrifted. And I love leather just because it's like very durable. It also looks very cool. When I'm in a thrift store and I spot like secondhand leather, there's just something in me where I'm just like, I need to get that. I really like this leather jacket. It fits really well. At least I get to use them and love them. Now, I'm a fashion girly, but at the same time, I like my regular, just like casual outfits. So putting on a nice jacket like uplifts the look, you know? Whatever the thrift gods will give me. I am going to the thrift store, but I'm going to be looking at furniture a little bit. I want to take some photos later today as well. It ended up getting super, super dark, super early. So we were like, okay, you know what? Let's go on a walk. I want to try out my hair curler thingies, but they just keep falling. So if anybody has any tips to keep them in place, let me know. This is kind of how it looks like now. Slightly wavy. I still have super wet hair. I'm just gonna look around for a bit. Last time I bought a guitar. It was like a really cheap one. I'm not sure if some stores allow like cameras, so slowly ease into that. Now I can't be the only one who loves car rides. They're so therapeutic to me. I just love looking around and seeing all of the interesting things that they have at like thrift stores. There was this action figure aisle and they had a ton of different action figures. They had a lot of DC and Marvel ones especially. There was this aisle full of Funko Pops as well. They were €5 each, but it is pretty cool. Okay, so I actually saw a few Harry Potter ones and I was actually interested in getting one until I was like, wait, why would I get one? I think it's just the thrill of finding something cool. So we didn't end up finding anything, but I was pretty hungry, so we decided to get some food at the McDonald's. I just got some fries and an ice cream, which I know, incredible. Girl dinner! Okay, sorry, I had to. Editing me is very hungry at the moment. It was raining cats and dogs, so I really appreciate how water repellent these shoes were. Bonjour. I really enjoyed my ice cream, as you can tell. The ice cream put me in a trance, honestly, and I actually managed to find something. Looking back at this, I'm honestly craving ice cream. We got back home. It's so dark, and it's like, I think 5-6 p.m. So it's not even that late, which is surprising. Look how cute. Some grandma was rocking this. And it's mine now. It's actually really, really pretty. Hi, I'm back home from thrifting. I did find this really nice bag. The bag really reminded me of my grandmother. Like little hairs and stuff in the inside, but I'm gonna fix that. Really, really love how this closes. Like that's such a fun and unique way to close your bag. Love it. So nice. I like it. It's very well made. So I'm gonna fix it up a little. I love feeling tall. It's fun. So Casey shoes. So far, the audio actually didn't end up working here for some reason, but here's just me figuring out what I want to wear for the little photo shoot of my giveaway post. I actually did end up wearing this fur coat, but I added like this super pretty like almond type of dress. I was drinking the smoothie that my mom made me. My brother, his new monitor also arrived, so we unboxed that. It's photo shoot time, so I decided to take some photos for my Instagram post because I want to announce my little shoe giveaway. The fit today. Absolutely love these Casey shoes. It's you. Let me show you my shoes. It was a bit of a gloomy day today, but that's okay. We work around it. Wow. how pretty the sky is. So lovely. I still cannot believe that I'm hosting this giveaway together with VIVAIA. I'm so grateful for this chance. Here are a few of the photos that we ended up taking. Imagine going on a road trip just to get your favorite chips because they're not available anywhere near you. I'm going to get them right now. Here are my favorite chips. These are from the brand Snack Gold and I love these so much. They're made with Himalayan salts as well as extra virgin olive oil, which I think are really nice ingredients. If you're interested in buying any shoes from VIVAIA, be sure to use my discount code cookies in all lowercase for a discount of 10% off. Thank you so much VIVAIA for giving me these shoes. Let me know which one you like most. One of you right there, you can win your very own pair of VIVAIA shoes. So the winner can actually pick between the Casey shoes, the Willow shoes, which I don't have right here, but they look absolutely incredible. This is a photo of it. I think they do such a great job. They make it comfortable, they make it cute, and they make it functional. The video is not over yet because we're gonna do something fun before we close it off. Tomorrow I'm going to a family dinner. I cannot decide which shoes I'm wearing tomorrow. I'll start by throwing some clothes on and seeing if it looks good. So this is a dress that I thrifted at the beginning of the week. Now, I absolutely love this dress. I think it's so pretty. Now this dress is 97% silk, rest is spandex or elastane. It feels so nice and, well, silky. The shape at the top is beautiful and it's really flattering. The waist area is a little bit unflattering, if you know what I mean. I think it could be better if I like take a little brooch and then maybe pin it up at the back or at the front even. Has a little bit of shape, I think. Yeah, now I really want to wear this dress, but then again, it's also 0 degrees Celsius tomorrow, so maybe not the best option. I think I would wear them with the Casey boots. I think this is a fine pairing. The VIVAIA shoes are on. Oh my god, my doll fell. When did that happen? I sometimes feel like knee-length skirts and dresses don't always suit me, but I feel like with the added height from these Casey shoes, I feel like it works. Don't forget, I'm hosting a giveaway for these Casey shoes. If you're interested, go join it. If you want to know how you can join, check the description box down below. You can find all the rules and guidelines down there. Good luck. So this is option number 1. Let me take off my glasses. The glow up. What do you think? This looks really good in my head. I feel like you can't really misstyle these shoes. Oh, okay. Okay, work? Why is it kind of a vibe? So this is actually one of my favorite shirts because it's 100% wool. I don't know how I feel about the sleeves poking out, but if I tuck them in, I could try that. Wait, why is it swaying so hard? Oh my god. I don't think it's the best option, but I think it's really cute. I'm definitely wearing this knitted shirt tomorrow. I was so cold a second ago, and even now I'm still cold because it's like 1 degree Celsius outside, so it's really cold. I don't know if I'm gonna wear like maybe a different skirt. I've probably seen these pants in so many clips in this vlog, but I think I'm actually going to wear these. Very warming. I have to wear my glasses tomorrow because at the end of the night we're going to watch a movie, which is gonna be really fun, but I can't watch it if I don't have my glasses. Let's see if it makes or breaks the outfit. I think it looks okay. Let me know what you think. Everything here looks cute, but the sleeves are kind of putting me off, and I don't know how I feel about having to deal with that for the entire day. Should I wear this or this outfit? Let me know. Congratulations, you've reached the end of the video. Now you get bragging rights. And what can you do with bragging rights? You can comment down below, bragging rights, and I'm gonna give you 1 extra entry if you complete all of the other requirements to join the giveaway. I wanted to add a little Easter egg for everybody who watched to the end of this video. Feel free to consider subscribing, liking, and commenting down below. I hope you enjoyed this one. Now the new year is coming up, and I just want to mention that I really want to lock in with YouTube a little bit more. I want to post some more videos, and I want to work a little bit harder on making it more and more enjoyable each time. So that's just something I wanted to close the video off with, and it's just something to look forward to, at least for me and maybe some of you. Happy holidays and happy new year to come. If you're interested in the shoes that I've featured in this video, be sure to check out the description down below because I'll be adding the links to these shoes so you can check them out freely if you're interested. Be sure to use code cookies in all lowercase for a discount on your next purchase. Thank you all so much for watching. I stopped listening to Joe, his music, a few years ago, but then I listened to When I'm Back in Chicago, I Feel It. And now I'm just like, I'm in a loop. I've been warped into it again. To be honest, his music is so good. So I'm like, do I have to stop listening to him? No, I don't think so.